Hello, this is novaTopFlex, and in this video, I will be demonstrating specifically what you need on your QEMU system for virtualization, specifically in order to boot to the SMP versus to the regular boot. So currently, in this setup, I'm going to change the CPU. You are not allowed to use a 486 ever. If you have a Pentium, not Pentium 1, that's kind of a retroactive name. Sorry, let me do this again. The correct display equals 1. So it's QEMU. This, I'm going to do the loading the SMP. If you do symmetric multiprocessing, you need to have at least a Pentium III. If not, then you can do it with older systems. 686 is required for SMP. 586 is required otherwise. Here on the VM, you will see Pentium II will have a functioning Slackware system with the SMP because the kernel is not really something that requires SMP. So boot with the SMP kernel, it might be awkward to boot with it on a Pentium II. This is me trying to boot to the regular one. So if you ever wonder need to do the other one, it's huge.s, not huge.smp. Please note, however, that even though I already have a Slackware disk installed, I am currently booting to the CD-ROM for Slackware. So far, it looks like it's great. So pass for a 586 plus platform, but you need a 686 in order to do this. So far, BTRFS is officially loaded, but pretty soon here, actually, I commented it out. I commented out the CPU Pentium part. What that means, by the way, is that it still works. But if I did it with an actual CPU Pentium, then guess what would have happened? With huge SMP.S, you cannot use a 586, you need a 686. But if you do huge.S instead of huge SMP.S, you can do it on a 586. You will never be able to use a 486 and do Slackware on your system. If you like this type of content and would like to learn more, then please like, share, comment, subscribe, and try to hack the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching. Signing off.